Hey guys, welcome back to my beauty space. My name is Luz Macias, in case you are new here, and don't forget to subscribe. And today I went ahead and filmed for you guys a full face of E.L.F. cosmetics. It is a first impression as well. These are all new products that I have not used, and it goes from my primer all the way into my lipstick. Eyelashes are from E.L.F. everything. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video and don't mind my nasty looking nails. I took off my acrylics today and I need to really go get them done. But anyways guys, I hope you subscribe and don't forget to like and share. Go ahead and leave me comments down below and give me some ideas on my next tutorial, and I will see you guys next time. Okay guys, so for the first thing that I'm going to do is going to be my eyeshadow, and we're going to go in with the E.L.F. eyeshadow palettes. This one is in the color Rose Gold. And I'm going to start off with this color right. Take this one right here. This reminds me a lot of one of my, I think it's in the Naked palettes. The color payoff is actually really good. I'm actually really impressed by this eyeshadow right now. I don't know if you guys can see it very well because it's such a light color, but it's super like blendable and creamy. So I'm going to take this dark shade right here, and this is like a deeper purplish color, and I'm going to place this right on the outer corner. So this is a lot like my Naked palette. I think it's Naked 2. It's the rosy colored one. Reminds me a lot of it. The payoff of this palette, the pigment is so on the spot. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and take a more dense brush, which is with my Morphe 514. I'm going to build this color right on the end, the outer corner of my eye. I'm really liking this palette. So I'm going to go in with this shade right here, that same Morphe 514 brush, and I'm going to build this in the outer to give me a little more darker color. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and take my Morphe 421, and this is just a flat brush. Like always, I'm just going to spray it, and you can use any spray you want. And I'm going to take this super light pinky shade, and I'm going to go ahead and place it to give myself some brightness. And it looks more like a pure shimmer than like a shadow. I don't know if that makes sense to you guys, but I can still see like my skin under it. As I build it more, I start to realize that it's not building as well as I thought it would. Like, can you guys tell? It's just, you can still see my skin. I'm going to go in with this color right here. I'm going to place it right in the center. Okay, so the shimmers, yeah, I'm definitely not impressed with the shimmers at all. And there's just, it looks exactly the same as the other one. Like, it's not doing anything. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and do my other eye off camera, and I'm going to go ahead and go in with the E.L.F. eyeliner. This is the waterproof eyeliner pen in the color black. We're just going to go in and see how it goes. Okay. So already I do like the tip. Super fine at the end. And you guys are going to be able to see my mirror because I need to get close. So it's definitely black. So from what I can see as I applied it, it's definitely super black. And it's definitely not moving. Okay guys, so I have both of my eyes done already except for my mascara and eyelashes. I'm going to go ahead and move it onto my face. So now for my face, I am going to try the E.L.F. Aqua Primer Mist. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and spray this primer mist. Oh my god, do you guys see how heavy this is spraying? It's like, I don't, okay. Wow, this is crazy. I don't know if you're, I don't even know, but I'm gonna have to wipe this. Oh. This stuff sprays so heavy, it feels like just someone is splashing water on your face with like a water bottle. That's exactly what it feels like. So it does leave the skin feeling tacky, which is good because you want the makeup to stick. But I would probably recommend to spray it on your hand because it's so heavy and then apply it to your face. Okay guys, so now I'm going to go in with the E.L.F. Flawless Finish Foundation. Looks like this. And I haven't even opened it. All of these is my first time trying. And I hope this color matches. What I didn't like is that there's literally only about four or five colors of this. 4 or 5 colors of this. So how are we all supposed to wear this? And right off the bat, I placed it behind this. It's not sliding. It's not moving. It's not going anywhere. So I'm just going to take this and hope for the best. This might be a little too light. Ooh. Can you guys see? That's definitely light. And the shade they had after this was way too dark. So, I don't know. I guess you can always like add your own drops to it, but that's not the point. The point is, why are you going to come out with the foundation and it only have 4 shades? But okay. I don't know how I'm feeling. So now I'm going to take this E.L.F. concealer. I feel like the packaging looks a lot like the NARS, but mini size. Let's see if it feels like the NARS. And this is the color Light. Okay, this color is light and it's darker than my foundation. So, literally guys. What the hell? What am I supposed to do with the dark concealer under my, okay. I should have used this as my foundation and then use the foundation as, what? So this obviously is not going to work. It's going to look like I have dark ass under eyes. So I'm going to have to take a lighter concealer and put it on top just to try to brighten it up. I'm going to go in with my Age Rewind. I'm just going to tap it because I don't know what else to do. I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up, but I'm just really disappointed. I'm just taking the sponge and blending this out. Well, that concealer color sucked. Disappointed. So now I'm going to go ahead and try the E.L.F. HD powder. And I'm just going to go in like I would with any other powder. It's super fine. So as you can see, I'm looking a little scary. I'm looking like a ghost. So I hope when I wipe the powder off, it's not going to leave a white cast on my face, but we'll see. So now I'm going to go in with the E.L.F. Contouring Blush and Bronzing Powder. This is in the color Fiji. This one I have had for years. I don't even think I've used it one time. I bought it when I was like a freshman in high school. So this is kind of like a first time review to me because I don't remember how it worked out. So I'm just going to take my bronzing brush. I'm going to place it anywhere where I would contour. Okay guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and wipe that powder off. I still look really white as well. So now I'm going to take the pink color in here and I'm going to use it as my blush. I'm going to take that same brush I used to bronze like I always do. I'm just going to tap it in here. Oh, this is really pretty. It's really rosy. Maybe this will make me look better. Okay guys, so now I'm going to go in with the E.L.F. Baked Bronzer. And this is in the color Blush Gems. So we'll just see how it places. It says you can wear it wet or just like this. I'm not going to wet my brush. I'm just going to go right in. You see, it's actually a really pretty color. As far as the highlighter goes, I really do like it. I think even doing it wet, like I usually do with any highlighter, I think it'll definitely even make it pop more. So I'm going to go in with the Liquid Matte Lipstick by E.L.F, of course, since this is all about them. And it's in the color Blushing Rose. And you know, this packaging reminds me of the... which one is it? I can't remember the name, but it reminds me of a high-end packaging. So it does have a pointy end, like the Maybelline 24-hour stay one. So I didn't find a lip liner from the E.L.F. brand, so I'm not going to use a lip liner. I'm just going to go in and just hope for the best. Okay guys, so I'm actually really impressed with this liquid matte lipstick. As soon as I applied it, it dried. And I mean, it's not moving, it's not coming off. And it feels no sticky residue. Like a lot of the drugstore will leave a sticky residue and it'll be sticky for, I would say, up to 30 minutes sometimes on my lips personally. This is not sticky. It's the exact same color that I was expecting from the packaging. And I actually think I might buy some more of these. But yeah, I would recommend this 100%. I'm super impressed. I think it's even a little creamier than some of my color pops, especially the bright color pops. So I'm going to go ahead and put on some mascara off camera. Once I go ahead and do that, I am going to apply some E.L.F. Luxe Lash Kit in Starstruck. And they look like this. And again, I've never tried any of their eyelashes, so we're just going to see how it goes, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so this is the end of my tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this first impression full face by E.L.F. Cosmetics. I am thinking of doing a Wet n Wild version of this. I really enjoy some of their products, so I'm curious to know a little bit more of like their face products, and I know they have a lot of different liquid lipsticks and just lipsticks in general. So give it a thumbs up if you want me to film that for you guys in my next video, and I will be more than happy to do so. Without further ado, I hope you guys subscribe and keep in touch. I will see you guys in my next video.